I'm going to show you how to automatically get emails from website addresses. Caution on this, I have a few website addresses here, and on some of them you're not going to have the contact information, the email address on the main page. You'd probably have to include the link to their second page or the contact page or something like that. So not all basic pages have the email address. But so let's run this. Now this takes a little longer to run than the average because it has to open up all these websites and search for the email addresses. Okay, so I'm going to run it. So there you have your email addresses that are taken from the websites. So I'll show you the code. Now, before you, so you're going to open up your developer tab, and you have to do this stuff before you get anything going or it won't work. So you'll go to the tools, on the menu bar you're going to go to references. And make sure that you have Microsoft Internet Controls checked here. So you'll have to search down for Microsoft Internet Controls. You'll have to search for Microsoft Internet or Microsoft HTML Object Library. You need to have both of those checked or this will not run. Okay, so now I'll just go through the code here. I set IE as Internet Explorer, and this is one of the ones that you need the directory or the references set. URL as string, X as long, HTML as htmldocument. Once again, this is one that you need the references set for. ElementCol As Object, set HTML as CreateHTMlFile. Application.ScreenUpdating False, set IT=CreateObject Internet Explorer application. ie.Visible false, you don't need to see what's happening. And then we're just doing a while loop. And so I'm setting X to 2 because I have headings in my first one. And I'm doing while that column is not blank. And now I'm doing ie navigation to URL. Oh, and I've said, I'm sorry, URL is what we have in here as our website addresses. And so what I've done is then I'm going to get them to navigate to the URL and do, when it's in a ready state and complete, application status bar. Okay, after all when it's loaded, then you do events, set HTML to ie.document, set item column equals HTML, get item.ByTagName. And if you're familiar with HTML code at all, the A is a reference. For each link in element code in string, link mail to. You're looking for mail to, so that's where you'd put where the email addresses would be. Then what you're going to do is copy that value into the columns and auto fit. And then you're going to increase it by 1. And then at the end, after all my loops, I set IE equals nothing, application status bar equals nothing, application screen updating equals true. I'm turning it back on again. I will include all this code in the description, so you will be happy to use it for you. Please subscribe.